हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। मध्य लीला चैप्टर 22 टेक्स्ट 100। अनुकूलस्य संकल्प प्रतिकूलस्य वर्जनम, रक्षिष्यतीति विश्वासो गोप्तर्त्वे वर्णम तथा, आत्मनिक्षेप कार्पण्ये षड्विधा शरणागति। The 6 divisions of surrender are the acceptance of those things favorable to devotional service, the rejection of the unfavorable things, the conviction that Krishna will give protection, the acceptance of the Lord as one's guardian or master, full self-surrender and humility. Purport: one who is fully surrendered is qualified with 6 following characteristics. 1. The devotee has to accept everything that is favorable for the rendering of transcendental loving service to the Lord. 2. He must reject everything unfavorable to the Lord's service. This is also called renunciation. Third, a devotee must be firmly convinced that Krishna will give him protection. No one else can actually give one protection, and being firmly convinced of this is called faith. This kind of faith is different from the faith of an impersonalist who wants to merge into the Brahman effulgence in order to benefit by cessation of repeated birth and death. A devotee wants to remain always in the Lord's service. In this way, Krishna is merciful to his devotee and gives him all protection from the dangers found on the path of devotional service. Fourth, the devotee should accept Krishna as his supreme maintainer and master. He should not think that he is being protected by a demigod. He should depend only on Krishna, considering him the only protector. The devotee must be firmly convinced that within the 3 worlds he has no protector or maintainer other than Krishna. Fifth, self-surrender means remembering that one's activities and desires are not independent. The devotee is completely dependent on Krishna and he acts and thinks as Krishna desires. Sixth, the devotee is meek and humble. Lord Krishna states in Bhagavad Gita 15.15, सर्वस्य चाहं हृदि सन्निविष्टो मता स्मृतिर्ज्ञानम् अपोहनं च वेदैश्च सर्वैरहमेव वेद्यो वेदान्तकृत वेद विदेव चाहम्. I am seated in everyone's heart, and from me come remembrance, knowledge, and forgetfulness. By all the Vedas I am to be known. Indeed, I am the compiler of Vedanta and I am the knower of the Vedas. Situated in everyone's heart, Krishna deals differently according to the living entity's position. The living entity's position is to be under the protection of the illusory energy or under Krishna's personal protection. When a living entity is fully surrendered, he is under the direct protection of Krishna, and Krishna gives him all intelligence by which he can advance in spiritual realization. The non-devotee, however, being under the protection of the illusory energy, increasingly forgets his relationship with Krishna. Sometimes it is asked how Krishna causes one to forget. Krishna personally causes his devotee to forget material activities, and through the agency of Maya, Krishna causes the non-devotees to forget his devotional service to the Lord. This is called Apohan. Hare Krishna. Please visit our complete playlist of Shri Chaitanya Charitamrita to listen more than 500 shlokas. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and share with your friends. Hare Krishna.